Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Google account on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to sign in and sync your account successfully. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.